Welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into how you, as a freelancer, can really leverage ChatGPT in 2025. We've got some fascinating articles here detailing how people are already using this powerful AI. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this if you're new here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future deep dives. Now, let's get started.
It's interesting. The initial hype around ChatGPT has settled, but that's actually when things start to get really interesting.
Yeah, it's like, oh, we can finally see the forest for the trees.
Exactly. Less hype means less competition, which is great news for freelancers in the know.
So less noise, more opportunity. Okay, I'm ready to unpack this. First things first. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot.
Absolutely. It's capable of so much more. Think of it as a highly skilled intern, always on call, ready to tackle a wide range of tasks.
And when you say a wide range of tasks,
Yeah.
you really mean it, don't you?
Yeah.
These articles highlight some pretty incredible use cases.
Oh, for sure. For example, one freelancer used ChatGPT to analyze best-selling gardening ebooks on Amazon. The AI helped him pinpoint high demand, low competition keywords like raised bed gardening and organic pest control, which he then used as the foundation for his own ebook. He ended up making a significant number of sales in the first month alone.
Wow, so essentially using ChatGPT for market research before even starting to write. That's smart.
Precisely. And it's not just about doing things faster, it's about doing things smarter.
I'm seeing a theme here. Make money smarter. I like it. But how does this apply to different freelance niches? Is this just for writers? Or can web developers and marketers get in on the action too?
That's the beauty of it. No matter your niche, there's something here for you, for writers. Imagine overcoming writer's block in seconds. Need to edit and proofread a blog post. ChatGPT can handle that too.
Okay, that's impressive. But what about web developers? What's in it for them?
One developer in the article used ChatGPT to troubleshoot code errors, and it even provided specific code snippets to fix the issues. Think about how much time that can save.
Time is money, especially for freelancers.
Exactly. And marketers, they're using ChatGPT to generate campaign slogans, create entire social media calendars, even write video scripts. It's like having an AI co-pilot for your entire marketing strategy.
So what I'm hearing is this isn't just about automating tasks. It's about opening up possibilities we might not have even considered before.
Right, and that's where it gets really exciting. We're talking about unlocking entirely new income streams. For instance, one freelancer used ChatGPT to offer Korean translation services. By leveraging the AI's language capabilities, they tapped into a less saturated market and expanded their client base.
That's brilliant. Finding ways to stand out from the crowd is key for any freelancer. Any other examples of these so-called new income streams?
Definitely. Another freelancer started creating profitable online courses with the help of ChatGPT. The AI helped identify high demand, low competition topics, and even assisted with outlining content and creating engaging materials.
So it's like having an AI business partner. I like the sound of that. But creating an entire online course seems like a pretty daunting task.
It can be, but that's where ChatGPT comes in. Imagine being able to get help with everything from keyword research and outlining to drafting scripts and creating presentations. It can significantly streamline the entire process.
Okay, I'm starting to see the potential here, but let's be real. Not everyone's a writer or course creator. What about freelancers who are more technically inclined?
That's where the world of custom AI chatbots comes in. This is a rapidly growing field, and you don't need to be a coding expert to get involved.
Yeah, really. How is that possible?
ChatGPT can actually guide you through the process. It can help you train a chatbot on specific business needs, define its responses, and even help with integrating it onto a website or platform.
So you're telling me I could create and sell custom AI chatbots without knowing how to code?
That's right. And there's huge demand for this right now. Think of all the businesses that could benefit from having a 24/7 chatbot to handle customer inquiries, book appointments, or even process orders.
Wow, that's incredible. I'm already thinking of a dozen ways I could use this.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg. What's so exciting about this technology is that we're really just scratching the surface of its potential.
It sounds like ChatGPT is
Yeah.
less of a threat and more of a super tool for freelancers.
Exactly. And those who are willing to embrace it and learn how to use it effectively will have a significant advantage in the coming years.
This is mind-blowing. We'll be back in a minute to dive into more specific examples of how freelancers
in different industries
are putting ChatGPT to work. Don't go anywhere.
So let's get into some more specific examples.
Yeah.
of how freelancers are using ChatGPT.
Yeah, looking through these articles, one thing that really stands out is how ChatGPT is being used for content
Sure.
creation.
It makes perfect sense,
It's,
right? It's
it's
such a time-consuming task.
yeah.
And ChatGPT can really help streamline the process.
One freelancer mentioned using ChatGPT to write entire ebooks to sell on Amazon.
Yeah. What's fascinating is how they use ChatGPT to conduct keyword research first. Imagine finding those hidden gems, those
Mm.
high demand, low competition keywords that can make your ebook a bestseller. ChatGPT can analyze market trends and identify those opportunities for you.
And it's not just limited to ebooks, right? I mean,
Yeah.
we're talking blog posts, social media content, website copy, all kinds of stuff.
Absolutely. One writer talked about using ChatGPT to overcome writer's block in seconds. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, ready to generate ideas and get your creative juices flowing.
And I bet it's also great for proofreading and editing.
You bet. Another freelancer mentioned how ChatGPT helps them polish their writing, catch those pesky grammar errors, and ensure their work is top-notch.
It's like having a built-in editor.
Exactly. But
Yeah.
remember, it's not about blindly accepting what ChatGPT spits out. It's about using it as a starting point and then applying your own judgment and expertise to make it truly shine.
So it's a collaboration, not a replacement. You're still the expert, the one with the vision and the understanding of your client's needs.
No. Shifting gears a bit, I was really intrigued by how freelancers are using ChatGPT for research and
Oh,
learning.
yeah, I saw that too. One person was using ChatGPT to quickly summarize long articles and research papers, extracting the key information without having to read through pages and pages of text.
Think about how much time that can save. And for us freelancers, staying up to date with the latest trends and knowledge is essential. ChatGPT can be a huge asset in that regard.
It's like having a personalized research assistant, always at your fingertips.
And don't forget, language support. One freelancer who works with international clients uses ChatGPT to ensure their communication is clear, accurate, and culturally appropriate.
That's a fantastic use case. It really highlights the potential for breaking down language barriers and expanding your client base.
Speaking of expanding your reach, we also saw some amazing examples of how freelancers are using ChatGPT to generate new income streams.
Yes, this is where it gets really exciting. Remember that freelancer who was creating and selling custom AI chatbots?
Of course, that's a brilliant strategy. And it's not as complicated as it sounds. ChatGPT can guide you through the entire process, even if you have zero coding experience.
Wait, seriously? You can create chatbots without knowing how to code?
You got it. ChatGPT can help you define the chatbot's purpose, train it on specific topics, and even integrate it into different platforms. Think of the possibilities. You could create chatbots for restaurants, real estate agents, e-commerce stores. The list goes on and on.
And the demand for this type of service is only going to increase.
Absolutely. Businesses are realizing the value of having 247 customer support
Yeah.
and automated interactions. Chatbots are the perfect solution, and freelancers who can build them are in high demand.
This is incredible. I'm starting to see how ChatGPT can really level up a freelance business.
You haven't even touched on all the potential applications yet. We're just scratching
Oh.
the surface of what's possible.
This is mind-blowing. Before we wrap up, I'm curious, did any of the freelancers mention running into any challenges while using ChatGPT?
Well, one common theme was the need to balance speed and quality. ChatGPT can generate content incredibly fast, but it's important to double-check its output and ensure accuracy.
That makes sense. After all, your reputation is on the line. You can't afford to deliver work that's riddled with errors or inconsistencies.
Another challenge mentioned was the learning curve. It takes time to master the art of crafting effective prompts and understanding ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations.
So it's not just about pushing a button
Yeah.
and letting the AI do everything. There's a skill involved in using it effectively.
Exactly, and that's what makes it so interesting. It's a new skill set for freelancers to master, and those who do will have a significant edge in the market.
It sounds like ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for freelancers.
I couldn't agree more. And the best part is, we're only just beginning. To explore its potential, the future is incredibly exciting.
So we've seen how ChatGPT can help freelancers with, everything from writing and research to creating new income streams. But I'm curious, where do we go from here? What's the big takeaway for freelancers listening to this right now?
I think the big takeaway is that AI is changing the freelance landscape, but it's not a threat. It's an incredible opportunity.
An opportunity to work smarter, not harder,
Mm.
to level up our skills,
Yeah.
offer new services, and ultimately make more money.
Exactly. Freelancers who are willing to embrace these tools and learn how to use them effectively are going to have a significant advantage in the market.
It's like we have this incredible resource at our fingertips, and it's just waiting to be tapped into.
And it's not just about the tools themselves, it's about the mindset shift we need to be open to new possibilities, to experimenting, and to constantly learning and adapting.
It's about being proactive,
Hmm.
right? Not waiting for things to change,
Yeah.
but actively shaping the future of our freelance careers.
Absolutely. This is an exciting time to be a freelancer, and I truly believe that AI is going to empower us to achieve even greater success than ever before.
So what's one piece of advice you would give to freelancers who are maybe a little hesitant to dive into the world of AI?
I would say don't be afraid to experiment. Start small, try out different AI tools, and see how they can fit into your workflow. You might be surprised at how much they can help you streamline your processes, improve your work, and ultimately boost your income.
That's great advice. And remember, we here at Smart Income Masters will be here every step of the way, helping you make money smarter. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of freelancing and AI. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.